If you're looking for a sturdy and reliable workspace for your projects, you've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of the top 5 workbenches on the market to help you make an informed decision. From adjustable height options to heavy-duty materials, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more information, and to follow the link to purchase your favorite workbench today. Let's get started. FedMax Workbench. The FedMax Workbench is a versatile and sturdy tool that is perfect for all your project needs. The table's generous surface area makes it suitable for various activities, such as a mobile kitchen island, crafting table, or computer workstation. The workbench's adjustable feet and locking wheels make it easy to move around your workspace, whether it's indoors or outdoors. The adjustable height feature provides 14 different settings to customize the leg's height to suit your needs, ensuring a comfortable working environment for any task. The workbench's indestructible steel frame and 1-inch thick acacia wood surface provide durability and stability for any project, whether it's woodworking, car repairs, or gardening. The scratch-resistant and low-maintenance solid wood surface guarantees long-lasting use. Assembly is easy with the included detailed instructions. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, the FedMax Workbench is a must-have for any workspace. 2x4 Basics Workbench. The 2x4 Basics Workbench is an affordable and adaptable shelving and storage solution that's perfect for any workspace. With 4 workbench legs and 6 shelf links made of heavy-gauge structural resin, this kit allows you to easily create a customized workbench or shelving unit that's up to 8 feet by 4 feet in size. The design of the brackets makes customization easy, and with only straight 90-degree cuts required, assembly is a breeze. The sturdy structural resin material ensures that the workbench or shelving unit is built to last, and with lumber not included in the kit, you can choose the specific wood type and finish that best fits your needs. This versatile workbench is perfect for anyone who needs a customizable and cost-effective storage solution, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor. The 2x4 Basics Workbench offers both practicality and aesthetic appeal to your workspace. Olympia Tools Workbench. The Olympia Tools multi-purpose workbench is an ideal workbench for your next project, whether it's carpentry, assembly, or repair work. The workbench includes a wide pegboard, 2 drawers that slide smoothly, and a 13-watt fluorescent light in the cabinet, providing ample storage space and tool organization for your projects. The bench is made of heavy-duty steel construction with a durable enamel finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. It also features 3 grounded outlets and an 80-inch power cord for added convenience. The workbench measures 47 1/4 inches in length, 23 3/4 inches in width, and 61 inches in height. It has a table height of 35 inches and can support up to 220 pounds of weight on its tabletop. Additionally, the top shelf has a load capacity of 44 pounds, providing ample storage space for all your tools and supplies. Wen Workbench. The Wen Workbench is an ideal solution for woodworkers, mechanics, or anyone in need of reliable organization. The workbench comes equipped with 2 drawers, upper and lower storage shelves, and a pegboard, providing sufficient space for tools and materials, making everything you require readily available. The enamel-coated tabletop is non-mooring, providing a spacious and durable 220-pound capacity work surface. The workbench also includes 3 built-in 13-amp power outlets and an overhead fluorescent light, making it easy to work on projects without having to search for a power source. With a footprint of 25 by 48 inches and standing at 62 inches tall, this workbench provides a substantial workspace without taking up too much room in your garage or workshop. The Wen Workbench is a reliable and practical choice for anyone who needs a well-organized and efficient workspace. CRAFTSMAN Workbench. The CRAFTSMAN Workbench is a sturdy and reliable solution for your garage or workshop needs. This workbench features a smooth and sturdy 1-inch thick butcher block work surface, supported by a heavy-duty steel frame that can hold up to 1,450 pounds. The frame comes with all necessary hardware and is easy to assemble. 4 adjustable leveling feet keep the workbench level, even on uneven floors, while the full-width metal backsplash prevents supplies from rolling off the back. The workbench measures 72 x 24 x 41.25 inches when assembled, providing ample space for your projects. Whether you're a woodworker or a mechanic, the CRAFTSMAN Workbench is the perfect solution to keep your supplies organized and within reach. Thanks for watching our video on the best workbenches. We hope you found it informative and helpful in making your decision on which workbench to purchase. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos in the future.